Hi guys, welcome to Oliveboard. I hope all of you are well. Oliveboard has come up with a series called Word of the Day and today is day 28 of the series. So if you are new to the channel or if you haven't watched the previous videos, you can watch the previous videos in a playlist that has been created for you. In this series, I give you a new word every day, its meaning and its usage in different sentences. Apart from that, I also give you the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. So, this series will be beneficial for you since it will help you improve your vocabulary and it will also help you if these same words come up in the exams that you are preparing for. So, let us look at today's word. Today's word is deter. The meaning of the word deter is discourage someone from doing something by instilling doubt or fear of the consequences. So, I'll repeat the meaning of the word deter is to discourage someone from doing something by instilling doubt or fear of the consequences. Now, let us look at a sentence and try to understand this word deter better. So, the sentence says high prices are deterring many young people from buying houses. So, high prices are discouraging many young people from buying houses. Deter here is being used as a verb. Now, let us look at the synonyms and antonyms of this given word. The synonyms can be to discourage, dissuade, or prevent. So, the synonyms are discourage, dissuade, or prevent. The antonyms can be to encourage or to persuade. Now guys, we'll use the language Hindi in order to understand this word deter better. So अब हम हिंदी का यूज़ करेंगे और जो सेंटेंस हमें दिया हुआ था उसे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे और इस वर्ड को बेटर अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. The sentence that was given to us was high prices are deterring many young people from buying houses. So ऊंचे दाम या ऊंची कीमतें बहुत से यंग लोगों को हाउसेस खरीदने से या प्रॉपर्टी खरीदने से रोक रही हैं. So यहाँ पर deter का मतलब है रोक लगाना या रोकना. I hope you liked the video guys. We have tried to understand this word deter in both the languages English as well as Hindi. So like this video, share it with your friends and for more such content stay tuned to Oliveboard. Thank you and have a nice day.